Hello everybody, welcome to online video classes. Now in this video we will discuss about 7th standard histories for chapter tracing changes through 1,000 years. Dear student, previous video we discussed about a social and some of the economical group which type made. Okay, I hope you are looking at previous video and now we start the next point, region and emperor. Okay, so first we understand what the meaning of this title, region and empire. Means a separate have any regions have, and these regions have any one king, any emperor or any sultanate. Okay, or we have discussed in before video. So any community have, this community have any leader, and these communities leader are made extra this own rules and regulations that everyone's are follow. Means those are communities, those are people have. He want he live in this society or this communities. So firstly he was accepted this rules and regulations. Then after he was living there. So what this community, these communities control who? These regions in chieftains, and these chieftains are control any king. Means king ने क्या किया है? They have a divided all over part, or this every part are selected any a member, any one member, and he was control this region. One king is not control, that's why he was distributed some of the parts, and he was control, set up one or he was set up administrations. Okay, so now this region and emperor what have? This region have and this exact any different emperor. So now a large state like those of the Cholas chapter 2, Tughlaqs chapter 3 or Mughals chapter 4 encompass many regions. Okay, this what have? Means large state like those of the Chola dynasties. This we can discuss in chapter 2. देन आपका तुगलक डायनेस्टीज चैप्टर 3 में हम डिस्कस करेंगे, और मुगल डायनेस्टी वी कैन डिस्कस इन चैप्टर 4. दिस ऑल दिस डायनेस्टीज मीनिंग्स व्हाट हैव? सो वन rural came this a generation, one generations have one after a next, then anyone not have leader, then these dynasties have a decline. So this encompass many region. These are 2, 3, 4 dynasties are total conquer all territories, all region. It was encompass many region. This we can discuss in separate chapter. This chapter 2, chapter 3, and chapter 4. So Sanskrit and Sanskrit language and Prakrit. See chapter 2 for an example of the Prakrit. Praising the Delhi Sultan Ghiyauddin Balban in 1266 to 1287. This period of Ghiyauddin Balban who have this Delhi Sultan. So this period explained that he was the ruler of a vast empire that stretched from Bengal, Gauda in the east to Ghazni, Gajna in Afghanistan in the west, and included all of South India, Dravida. Okay, this would have a Delhi Sultan who Ghiyasuddin Balban when 1266 to 1287 मीन्स इस पीरियड में उसने क्या किया था? उसके हाथ में वो दिल्ली सल्तनत का पूरी सत्ता उसके हाथ में आई थी. तो उसके हाथ में आने के बाद उसने जो अपना टेरिटरी है जो जीत लिया था, वो क्या किया? बहुत दूर तक उसने पूरा के पूरा रीजन जीत लिया. किधर से? स्ट्रेचर फ्रॉम बंगाल. इस गांव का होगा बिहार. लुकिंग ऑन मैप, हम मैप में देखेंगे वेयर इन स्ट्रेचर बंगाल, बंगाल में बंगाल वेयर यस हियर. इधर से ये जो दिल्ली सल्तनत हियर फर्स्ट वी ओनली हैव हियर हैव. Then he was conquered this Bengal region, this all territories, and Afghanistan means Bengal में इधर गौदा बोलते हैं. इधर means गौदा एक बना place है this in the east in Ghazni गजना इन अफगानिस्तान, इधर अफगानिस्तान तक जो एरिया है, हाँ, उधर तक पूरा एरिया उसने क्या किया, वो जीत लिया। मीन्स अपने रीजन्स में वो क्या कर लिया, वो जोड़ कर लिया। Okay, so Afghanistan is in the west and included all the South India Dravida, and there in eastern part this Bengal, western part this Afghanistan and South India. These all territories were joined in Delhi Sultanate. Who? Ghiyabuddin Balban. When? In 1266 to 1287. This period means only here only how many? 8. Only 20 minimum at 1921 years he was a conqueror. All territory was win and joined our Delhi Sultanate. One dangerous habit is Ghiyabuddin Balban. Okay, so now next one, people of different regions, Gauda, Andhra, Kerala, Karnataka, Maharashtra and Gujarat apparently fell before his armies. मीन्स ये जो रीजन है, बाकी जो सब रीजन किसने जीत लिए, गियाउद्दीन बालबन ने। और जो रीजन पर उसने अटैक किया जीतने के लिए, उस रीजन में जो भी थे लाइक बिहार या गौदा, आंध्रा वगैरह, कर्नाटक, महाराष्ट्र, मीन्स इस रीजन में पहले जो एम्परर थे उनको क्या किया, उसने हरा दिया। They have approximately failed before his army. Means गियाउद्दीन बालबन के आर्मी के सामने वो क्या हुए, हतबल हो गए। मीन्स वो क्या हो गए, हार गए उनके सामने। Why? Because गियाउद्दीन बालबन had much dangerous army था। Then these regions are army are not face or not opposite, not fighting a battle. This गियाउद्दीन बालबन's opposite. मीन्स उसके सामने जो रीजन की जो आर्मी है उसने क्या किया, वो हार गए उनके सामने। सो दैट्स व्हाई द गियाउद्दीन बालबन आर विन आर ऑल टेरिटरीज। हिस्टोरियंस regards this as exaggerated claims of conquest. Exaggerated means they have written too much dangerous situation writing. No, this means जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन थी, जो राइटर ने क्या किया, वो वन बुक में राइट कर दी। They have claims of conquest. Conquest means जो भी अटैक करने के बाद जो भी एरिया उन्होंने जीत लिया, उसका टोटल डिस्क्रिप्शंस उन्होंने क्या किया, वो राइटिंग में रखा। Why? Because of a next generation or next some emperor or this time are reading this Ghiyabuddin Balban's fighting, this time doing how to he was doing a struggle, then he was realizing how to he was doing a battle, how he was using different techniques, different strategies for winning for conquer other territories. So the same times they try to understand why rulers claiming to have control over the different parts of the subcontinent. Means which type he was a control. Why he was described his claims? Because at the same time they try to understand why rulers kept claiming to have control over the different parts of the subcontinent. Means उसने कैसे अदर सब कॉन्टिनेंट में कंट्रोल रखा, तो किसने, गियाउद्दीन बालबन ने। यू लुक एट दिस फिगर इंडिया मैप, देन यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग विच रीजन ही वाज गियाउद्दीन बालबन और conquer or doing an attack. So this all territory have, we look at in downside have here given a Roman numbers, Swistan, Uj, Multan, Kalamnar, Lahore, Saman, Sanskri, Quad, Hansi, Delhi, Batayun, Kanauj, Kar, Awadh, Bihar, Lakhanti, Jagannath, मालवा, गुजरात, देवगिरी, तेलंगाना, तलंज, देवशमुद्रा, Malabar. These all regions was conquered. Here given this number directly, this Roman number. then your work what draw this map, right this places naming means ये क्या है, ये जो place है इधर दिया है नंबर, उस नंबर पर वो क्या है, वो एग्जैक्ट प्लेस है, वो टेरिटरी है, वो एम्पायर उधर रहता था तो उसने क्या किया, वो जीत लिया उस रीजन से. So now dear student, now in this video only discuss about region and empire first part, and remain next part we have discussed next video. Okay, so now your work what draw this figure and show the some territory name. Okay, thank you.